Hello everyone! Another great day po sa inyong lahat and welcome to Ascender Protect, the partner you can rely on presentations for the income protections. So I'm here to present to you what are the benefits and advantage pag kumuha po kayo ng Ascender Protect natin. So Ascender International is one of your service provider when it comes to insurance and technology. So our advocacy is to cover for all the Filipinos kasi marami po sa Philippines natin na very hardworking individuals are kumbaga delikado yung work nila or parang hindi talaga nila prone po sila sa unexpected events like mga accident insurance or mga aksidente, 'di ba? Kumbaga without proper protections. So Ascendra Protect exists to bridge that gap. So kumbaga kami po yung solusyon para just in case of emergencies, kahit po at risk yung work natin, you are protected and pati po yung family natin. So we aim to make an insurance to understandable and accessible. So kumbaga madaling intindihin, madali nyo pong ma-access kasi it's insurance and technology. So it's cloud-based, ibig sabihin wala nang wala nang physical appearance to claim the benefits ni client. So, of course, you can also promote financial inclusions through protections and provide real value through comprehensive and affordable coverage. Kumbaga, we provide value for you, a very affordable, but pinakamurang coverage lang po ito ng insurance na kayang-kaya po natin. 'Di ba ano ba naman po yung kahit konting amount na pwede mong ma-invest sa sarili mo for your protections and your family. So our core value in actions, kumbaga Ascendra Protect, kumbaga pinapaligiran po ng Ascendra is that purpose-driven solution. Kumbaga people-centered access, kumbaga mabilis mo ma-access ng mga client natin, and of course integrity and services and financial empowerment for all, kasi pwede mo din po itong pagkakitaan sooner or later. About Ascender International, so our company is our service provider. By the way po, once kumuha po kayo ng insurance natin, we will be the one of your kami po yung once kumuha po kayo ng Ascendra Protect natin. So Ascendra Protect is your partners or kumbaga your service provider when it comes to insurance. So about Ascendra International, so it's a revolution business solution company. We don't just consult, 'di ba? We co-build, kumbaga we also innovate from executions. We empower individuals and communities to rise through entrepreneurship, smart system, and world-class partnership. So, kumbaga kami po is backed up by trusted partners. So, ang insurance po natin is we partner with Sterling Insurance Company. So one of the most respected non-life insurance companies in the countries with a decades of experience and strong financial stability. Kumbaga si Sterling po, nagbibigay po tayo ng reliability, efficiency, and compassions and every policy issues under Ascendra Protect. So all benefits are claims under fulfilled by Sterling insurance po natin. So, with every client is supported by a trusted and licensed insurance provider. So, kaya makakaasa po kayo na legit, makakaasa po kayo na maganda yung service po natin, and we provide you value kung ano man po yung pwede maging benefits ni client. So, ito, dalawa lang yun po yung options na pwede nyong kunin. So, number one, if you want lower lang, if you want to try lang po this insurance, you can also Ascendra Basic AI. Kumbaga, Ascendra Protect Basic AI, ibig sabihin, mababang insurance for as low as 3,500. Kung i-compute mo po siya, mga around 8 pesos lang po siya per day. And cover ka na po sa loob ng isang taon. So, imagine, for as low as 3,500, you will be getting just in case po, more on accident insurance, just in case of emergency. Example, nawala si client, nawala sa picture or namatay, or nauwi si client sa permanent disability kasi na-aksidente siya, makakatanggap po si client ng 750,000 pesos. Okay po, para po yan sa family na beneficiary niya. So, kumbaga yung loved ones mo dito kasi I know for sure you are a breadwinner, 'di ba? Magiting kang tagapagtaguyod ng pamilya mo. So ate syempre, pag nawala si client, kung breadwinner siya, paano yung family niya? So ito, just in case of emergency, you are protected, 'di ba? Just in case of accident insurance or permanent disability man 'yan, makakatanggap ka po ng 350,000 pesos. And ang gandahan kasi ito, kahit nasa ang lugar ka ng buong mundo, sa Pilipinas, sa ibang bansa, kahit sa ang hospital, cover po kayo. Okay? And ito po, karamihan po ng insurance hindi po kino-cover is yung motorcycle. So example naman po si client, 'di ba? Nagpa-insured siya, tapos na-aksidente po siya sa accident sa motor, 'di ba? Nabangga, nasagasaan o namatay si client just in case sa motorcycling. So makakatanggap po siya ng 250,000 pesos kasi wala pong insurance company na nag-o-offer na sa motor kasi sa motor very at risk po yung talaga kasi nagbabiyahe. Same with the drivers, o 'di ba? So tayo po kahit basta po land-based cover po si client. And ngayon, si client naman po just in case po na aksidente siya tapos hindi naman po siya namatay o hindi naman po siya na permanent disability. Pero nag-hospital po siya kasi meron siyang mga gasgas, meron nagpo-hospital po siya, kailangan ng CT scans or whatever, magkakaroon din po siya ng accidental medical reimbursement na worth 50,000 pesos. Reimbursement po siya. Ibig sabihin, gumastos man po kayo sa hospital, 'di ba? Pinanghutang man po 'yan, mababalik naman po siya kasi reimbursement. So, kagandahan po diyan kasi just in case for the reimbursement client natin kasi 3 to 5 working days lang po na pinaprocess ni Ascendra Protect yung coverage natin. Kasi it's a cloud-based, magsabit ka lang ng incidental report, hindi na po kailangan nang pupunta ka pa sa branch or hihingi ka pa ng mga report or something, 'di ba? So ito, we will just have to provide the incident report, 'di ba? Police report, and then send mo lang po sa customer service natin, and that's it. Magkano po yung lahat na ginastos mo, pwede na po yung may reimburse ng service provider natin na Ascendra Protect. So ngayon, just in case naman po si client, 'di ba, nawala sa pictures, talagang hindi po inaasahan. So magkakatanggap din po si client ng additional burial expense na 25,000 pesos. So yan po, kumbaga may 750,000 na si client na receive ng family plus 25,000 pesos sa burial expense. Okay po? And the next naman po dito is that, example, si client naman, ito yung unprovoked and murder and assault. So, ito po yung mga example, may nag-aaway, tapos nasaksak si client, nadamay po si client sa pag-aaway ng kabilang dayo, 'di ba? Or may natamaan po ng ligaw na bala, 'di ba? So na-aksidente po doon. Yan po yung unprovoked and murder and assault. So makakatanggap din po si client ng 125,000 pesos. So iba-iba pong cases yung accidental insurance natin. So any cause of accident, yan po yung mga benefits natin. So another naman po na benefits natin dito kasi example si client, yun na po yung hospital lang po siya, na-confine sa hospital, gumastos, hindi siya napatay o hindi siya na permanent disability. So, kumbaga, habang nagtatambay po siya sa hospital, since no work, no pay po sa Pilipinas or kahit saang lugar po tayo, 'di ba? No work, no pay. So, ito makakatanggap din po si client ng 500 pesos daily allowance. So, up to 10 days po 'yan. So, pag nag-stay siya sa hospital ng 10 days, meron siyang 500 per day. So, total of magkano 'yon? 5,000 pesos. 5,000 ba? Ayan, 5,000 500 times 10. O tama, 5,000. So, yan po yung magiging benefit ni client. And kagandahan po dito kasi meron po tayong teleconsult, unlimited 24/7. So, yan po yung Ascendra Protect natin. For as low as 3,500, 8 pesos per day, insured na po kayo, cover na po kayo for the whole year. And that is renewable. Kung gusto mong i-renew or kung ayaw mo naman, okay lang din. And another thing is, meron tayong premium AI. So, ito kung gusto mong madoble yung coverage mo, kung gusto mong mas malaki, kung gusto mong madoble, same benefits po siya. Ang pagkakaiba niya lang po dito is that nadoble lang po yung amount ni accident, death, and permanent disability na, and of course, yung unprovoked murder and assault, na doble po sila. So, yung dating accident insurance sa basic, 750, na doble, naging 1.5 million. Same with unprovoked, instead na 25,000 pesos, 'Di ba? Ay 125,000 pesos. 125,000 pesos. That is 250,000 pesos. Ayan, sorry po. Ayan. So, same with burial expense po pala. So, 25,000 yung sa basic AI and then sa premium is 50,000 pesos. So, same po yung reimbursement. Same din po yung hospital daily. 500 pesos per day and reimbursement is 50,000. So, yan po yung benefits ng insurance natin. Ano yung advantage? What's in it for me, Miss Joy, kung nagkuha po kami na nasa abroad? Kasi napakalaking factor po. Kasi syempre, pinangungunahan po tayo ng trusted partner dyan sa Japan. Sa Japan po, ang Prudential Guarantee Sompo Insurance po tayo is leading Philippines non-life insurer. Ibig sabihin, nasa Japan din po yung natin, one of the partners ng Prudential Guarantee. So, kagandahan po niyan kasi, yan, priority po talaga nila yung mga local expertise with global strength and diverse insurance. So, kagandahan po kasi masabalisa po yung access natin. 'Di ba? And at the same time, anong advantage pag kumuha po kayo? Of course, syempre, risk transfer na po ito. So, risk transfer, just in case of emergencies, meron ka na pong protected. So, kumbaga po, pag ikaw na aksidente ka, depende po yan kung anong cases ng company ng accident, especially kung nasa labas ka na aksidente. Kung nasa work ka, pwedeng cover ka pa, 'di ba? Pwedeng cover ka pag nasa work. Pero may exclusion lang din po yan. Kagandahan sa atin kasi wala pong exclusion. So kahit lumabas ka po ng ibang bansa, nasa Philippines ka, nasa out na ng trabaho, na aksidente po si client, 'di ba? So at least protected po siya. Meron ka pong service provider. Ibig sabihin, pag service provider, hindi ka na po lalabas ng pera with just in case of emergency. Meron ka na pong company. Meron ka ng Ascendra Protect na gagastos lahat ng mga sabilihin mo ng reimbursement. Tapos, if ever naman po nawala si client, at least po, di ba, yung naipon mong hard-earned money sa ibang bansa, hindi na po yun magagalaw kasi meron ka ng service provider. Tapos may benefit pa po yung family mo. Makakatanggap ba ng family mo ng parang ayuda? O, diba? So, and this one, these are the contacts. So, just in case po makapag-avail kayo ng Ascendra Protect, this is our contact details. We have also 24/7 online Ascendra Protect para naman po sa mga life insurance and Ascendra Protect para naman po sa non-life insurance. So, we are offering 24/7 services para at least just in case of emergencies, andyan po kami para ma-support po kayo and ma-assist po kayo just in case of emergency. So, yun lang po and thank you so much.